it's your girl Fifi and welcome back to another video. Today is a special day for us because me and the kiddos, well, I already been to the new house. This will be Aiden's third time moving?
Oh, third time moving?
Yeah, and this will be your second time moving. So this is bittersweet. We ain't moving along in years, so we moving to a new home. We about to get their reactions of the new home, so stay tuned for that and let's go see the new home. It's like an empty house tour, okay? Okay, as y'all can see, I made it into our new house. Now, I'm about to get the kids' reaction, then I'm gonna show y'all inside an empty house tour. But here we go. Oh, y'all like what y'all see?
Yeah. It's like it's loud.
So when you first come in, kids, here goes the closet door. When you come in, you put your shoes down there, and then you put your backpacks and stuff up there. Okay. You know. So we're gonna have to track dirt. I'm gonna have to get a rug on the front entrance and when you come in. But let me turn this light off, y'all. Gotta save electricity. This is the living area and we have a fireplace. This boy here. And this is our kitchen. It's small compared to our last house that we was at. And this is our dining area. But I like it. I love the countertops.
Every time we eat, I'll call and see. I don't care.
And it came with some bar stools already in here. This is our little kitchen area. New refrigerator. Over here is the washer and dryer area. Okay, this side will be the washer. This side will be the dryer. And the kids want to see the garage. Really? So let's go ahead and go back in here. There's nothing else to see. I guess it's just a little storage area, but that need to be cleaned out. Here goes one of the bedrooms. It's nice. And I'm loving the ceiling fan. And then you go in here is a bathroom. Ooh, I didn't even turn that on. And here goes cute little mirror. This is what I love about Hunty with the sink. In the shower in this bedroom. So it's like a master bed. With the walk-in closet. It's not that big, but this is a starter home. And where the light at for this? And this is how it's looking. Starter home, baby. But yeah, my favorite part about this bathroom is the shower and this sink and the mirror. Oh yeah, let me see if this light turn on. But yeah, that's pretty, ain't it? But yeah, boom. Turn this off, go to the next room. And here goes the second room. Nice, spacious for one of the kids. And closet, it didn't come with a closet door, but hey, it came like this. But it's one of the rooms, nothing to see here. Cute little ceiling fan. Here goes the second bath. Nice little mirror set for the cabinets. Cute little sink. And this is how our bathtub is looking. They did a good job in remodeling this home, and extra storage for towels and stuff like that. And here go a nice, beautiful room for being remodeled and spacious with a closet. I'm not sure, does it come with No, it doesn't come with a closet door either. Like somebody took the doors off, but in this room, it's Aiden's room. You like it?
I like the ground and stuff.
Yeah, don't scratch this floor up, boy. And here goes the 4th bedroom. And this is the girls' room. Woo, woo, woo. Y'all like this room?
Yeah.
And y'all got a walk-in closet as well for y'all to share. A lot of closet space for the kiddos, but except for 2 rooms, but the rooms are still big and spacious. So what y'all think about the house?
Good. I like this area.
It's better than what we at now, huh?
Yeah.
Man, look at this L though. I like that. I like that. And then interior different color a little bit.
Yeah.
I like that. And this your room. So y'all can't be throwing stuff around.
We're gonna put the TV right here.
Yeah, we're gonna put a TV here. Y'all gonna get a TV. Just wait. We gotta move our stuff over here. But y'all seen the backyard already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, through the window.
Oh, yeah, y'all been to the backyard, but I'm about to show everybody the backyard.
Yeah, we went to the backyard. Alright.
What's up, y'all? Man, I'm so upset because your girl deleted the ending clip. But only thing y'all didn't see was the backyard. I'm not wanting to show my backyard outside for protection reasons, but I hope you like what you saw in today's video. Don't forget to hit a like for your girl. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit the like button for your girl, because it don't cost you anything. And don't forget to share your girl out, you know. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to join the LAFM fam. This house that we are staying in now is truly, definitely a blessing for me and my family. It's an upgrade from where we were at first. And me and my husband was driving around this area. We was like, we want to stay over here. Like, this is one of our dream spots that we want to stay over here and have better schools over this area and stuff like that. And we wanted to get my kids out the school district that they're in now. So it was like second guess. I was like, we probably can't afford to stay over here. But that same night, don't never second guess yourself. That same night I had a dream. God gave me a vision that I was in my house, talking to my brother and my dad over a countertop that looks just like mine, it's in my house as we speak. And I was like, so whatever this vision is, this house is mine. So I kept looking for houses. I never gave up. And online I found another house that I first wanted, but my heart wasn't in that house. The reason why I want that house, because the kitchen was beautiful. Even though it was small as heck, it was smaller than the kitchen that I got. But the real granite countertops what got my eye. But it was beautiful, small. The rooms were small, and my family couldn't fit in there. So long story short, that house became unavailable. Somebody else had already leased that house, and it was in our price range, stuff like that. So they was like, go ahead and look on our website or whatever, find another house or whatever. So we found another house, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go and view that house today. We went to go view the house today, and I told my husband that granite top was in my dream. This is our house. This is my house. So I claimed it. And so first thing you know, we got the house quick within like that same day, and it just took us. Not the same day, it took us 2 days. Long story short, never give up on what you want in life. God will give you a vision for a reason, and it's always things happen on God's timing. And I thank God for giving me and my family a chance at a beautiful home, and we're gonna take well care of it. And then it's like a starter family home, and then we're gonna eventually go buy us a bigger home. Anyway, my bed about to cut off. I gotta talk short, but I could talk more in another video. But thank y'all for viewing this video. I really appreciate y'all. See you in the next video. Peace.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I would get spray ground. Now they know I don't play